Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to download and install Clipper on your iPhone. So if you want to download the app, you just have to open up your app store on your phone, then use the search icon at the top to search for the app name. So once you tap on it, you can just also use the search bar, then search for Clipper. You should see Cleper, and that's it, Clipper. Then once you search for it, and there's the app here, which is the Clipper. It is a video app. Then tap on the app, then tap on get. Then this will automatically load the app. Then it will require your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to be able to allow the store to install the app on your phone. Once you apply that, the app will automatically download itself to your phone. At the same time, the installation process will take place, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.